The Qk-Daf air is a new type of switch air flotation purification equipment, can effectively spirit suspended solids and heavy particles in sewage. It has the advantages of low power consumption, high % efficiency, easy maintenance, easy installation without civil engineering, and is currently one of the most efficient air flotation equipment. The sewage to be treated is lifted by the sewage pump to the inlet chamber of the air flotation machine, mixed with dissolved steam water, and forms a large number of fine bubbles in the release area, which react to suspended particles, causing the flocculent substances to float to the water surface. They are then scraped to the slag discharge port by the scraper and discharged. The equipment has a compact structure and a small footprint, low power consumption, low drug consumption, high concentration of scum, clear effluent,